Sir, what do you want to say about that kind of a condition here in Mandya? Before 2 days it was horrible. After 1 day it was even horrible more. And now the KRS and also Mandya, the farmers are still protesting. But few of the protesters have been arrested by the police officials and kept into some hidden place.
This issue is not today's issue. First of all, this issue we are facing so many years. The dispute between the Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. In those days, what they made the agreement is totally different. And the today's current situation is totally different. When they made that agreement, at that time, what was the population of Karnataka? Exactly, we don't know. And what was the population of Tamil Nadu? We don't know. And what was the requirement of the water for the Karnataka? And what is the requirement of the Tamil Nadu? What they decided at the time, who was at the time, we don't know. But as per what today we are thinking and we are facing, we have to resurvey these things. So how many TMC water we need for the Karnataka and how many TMC water we need for the Tamil Nadu? In between Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, how many TMC water we are going to waste? So first of all, we have to save our water. We have to save our water in place of we are wasting our water. The second issue, after the Tamil Nadu people using the water, the Kaveri water, how many TMC water is passing to the Bay of Bengal? This is the issue. If we save that water, what they are dropping in the Bay of Bengal, if we save that much water, that is more than enough in Karnataka to service the people of Karnataka. So, the second issue, we respect the orders of the Supreme Court. As Indians, we are also part of the India, so we have to respect the Supreme Court orders. But who present in front of the Supreme Court, that is the difference. They didn't even, because I'm not going to blame any government. See, everyone is doing some mistakes when they are ruling. When they are in power, they are busy, they are so many issues. Maybe due to these reasons, I don't know.
Do you think, sir, really this government who was taking this issue in Supreme Court, they are not properly representing the...
No, definitely I will say the challenge, they are not representing. They didn't given any evidence and proof, and the current situation, they didn't given the current information in front of the Supreme Court. Due to this reason, what we received this judgment today, and we are facing the problem. See, this is not only a farmer's issue. This issue is related to our district. The district means each and every community, each and every businessman, each and every simple man, each and everyone. We are facing the problem. If it's continuing these things, we are losers, we are losing, and we are creating problem for ourselves. We are burning our tires. We are doing these things, that things, we are closing our cities. So, end of the day, we are damaging our country and we are damaging our own assets. Nothing except that what I mean to say. So, this is my humble request to Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji to involve in this matter, because this Mandya is not separate from our country. This is also a part of our country. We should involve. This is his responsibility to take care of all India. It's not a part of India. Even if there is an issue of...
Even your party chief and Supremo and also the former Prime Minister, he met Prime Minister today.
Yeah.
In the evening, he represented the issue and he has given some clear data to him. Do you think it will make some difference?
Of course, we challenge, I can say, because our national president, Sri Deve Gowda ji, he is the only one personality. He is running back of the farmers and is the backbone of the farmers. He spent all his life for the farmers' life. So he has the knowledge and he has I think he has the documents to prove. He has documents to present in front of the government. But he find the good channel, he went to Prime Minister and he bring to his kind notice. And I hope that our Prime Minister going to take serious action about these things. And
As a leader from Mandya, what do you want to say about, sir? Do you want this flowing of water to Tamil Nadu should be continue or it should be stopped?
say what this government is doing since 1947. Mostly, I don't want to bring the name of the government. There is some different parties, except our party, General Secular. They are the one rulers. They ruled a lot, but they didn't make any treatment, proper treatment. What exactly they're supposed to do? Just they are doing time beingly treatment, just like putting what you call this malam and something. They didn't make any operation to cure this disease. They want to leave this disease as it is, and they want to make the treatment for the time being only. I don't want this. So strictly, I want to bring kind notice to this government to please do something permanent treatment. We don't want this pollution.
Or else?
No thanks.
Or else?
Sorry?
Or else?
I'm not getting you again.
No, or else, what will happen? You are saying that...
See, our wells means, please, I'm not alone. Our Mandya people is very polite people, very good people, very gentle people. But there is a limit. There is a limit to control themselves. When they lost their controls, no one can stop in this state.
I think for the last 4 days, the Mandya people are protesting very calmly.
We are protesting calmly, peacefully. Even today, near about 15,000 Muslims came out from the mosque. And they are protesting against this issue. But in peacefully. They didn't destroy anything. They didn't disturb anything. But there is a limit for everything. Don't take, I want to...
So you say you don't take it as an advantage. If the people raise their voice, they'll raise their hands.
Of course. See, there is positive. Where is the positive? There is same place. There is negative also. Where there is a white, there is a black also. So please don't make more test for our Mandian people, please. This is limit. This is limit. After once we lost our time, lost our patience, we don't know what Mandya people is going to be do. I think nobody can travel from here, Mysore to Bangalore, Bangalore to Mysore. Maybe they reach to up to the border of Tamil Nadu. We can't say this. So please don't take test. Take immediate action. Try to solve this problem. This is my humble request to the state government and to the central government and to the Honorable Prime Minister also. Thank you very much.